Hi, I'm Suze Orman. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most important choices you can make on your path to financial success: smart investing. Investing wisely can not only make you richer, but it also gives you more safety and peace of mind in life. The key is to understand that investing isn't just for rich people. It's a key money strategy that everyone should learn and use. Smart investing isn't just about making money. It's about making smart choices that help you grow your money. Whether you're investing for retirement, to reach a short-term goal, or just to spread out your money, understanding the basics of investing can make a big difference in how well you do with your money. Before you jump into investing, it's super important to have the right mindset. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick game, and it's not like gambling. It's a long-term money plan that needs patience, self-control, and knowledge. You need to be ready in your mind to deal with the ups and downs of the market and any problems that might come up. You need to know that risk and reward go hand in hand with investments. There are no guarantees, but with a good plan and by staying informed, you can lower risks and get more rewards. Having the right mindset is the first step to becoming a successful investor. Before you start investing, it's important to know exactly what you want to achieve with your money. What do you want your investments to do for you? Are you investing for retirement, to buy a house, or just to build an emergency fund? Knowing what you're trying to do will help you figure out what kind of investments you need and how much risk you're okay with taking. If your goal is for a long time, like retirement, you might need safer but long-term investments, like index funds or bonds. On the other hand, if you're looking for extra money in the short term, you might think about riskier investments like individual stocks. The main thing is to pick investments that match your goals and how much risk you're comfortable with. One of the most important rules in investing is to spread out your money. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading out your money means putting it into different things, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. This helps protect you from big changes in the market and lowers your overall risk. Spreading out your money doesn't just mean having different kinds of investments. It also means investing in different areas and places. For example, if you own stocks, you might want to have some in technology, healthcare, energy, and financial areas. This spreading out helps lower risk and makes it more likely you'll get good returns in different market situations. Smart investing means always learning about money. You should always be learning and keeping up with the best ways to invest. Information is power when it comes to investing. Read books, go to investing classes, follow money experts, and stay informed about economic and political news that can affect the markets. Learning about money will help you make good choices and avoid common mistakes new investors make. Don't let fear or greed guide your investing decisions. With the right knowledge, you can make smarter choices that are less driven by feelings. An exit strategy is a must for any good investment plan. It's not enough to just buy and hold. You need to know when to sell and take your profits. An exit strategy helps you protect your investments and lose less money. This is super important in markets that change a lot. Set clear selling points for your investments. This could be based on a certain amount of profit or loss, or a big change in the market or the company you've invested in. Having an exit strategy helps you avoid greed and fear, which are two of the biggest enemies of investors. Being disciplined is key to success in investing. Don't let your feelings about the market take over. Stick to your investing plan and don't get sidetracked by short-term trends or what market gurus predict. Discipline will help you follow your plan and avoid quick decisions that often lead to losses. Remember, time is your friend in investing. Stay focused on your long-term plan and don't feel pressured to make big changes just because the market has moved up or down. Being steady and patient are super important for getting long-term benefits from your investments. Lastly, it's really important to check and adjust your investments regularly. It's not enough to just set up an initial portfolio. You also need to keep it updated and in line with your goals and what's happening in the market. This means checking your investments often and making changes when needed. Checking your investments helps you make sure you're on the right path to reach your goals. You might need to sell some investments that aren't doing well, or add new opportunities that fit better with what you want. Checking regularly is also a chance to look at how much risk you're taking and adjust your investments accordingly. Smart investing is one of the most valuable skills you can learn to achieve financial success. The key is to start with the right mindset, set your investing goals, spread out your money, and stay educated and disciplined along the way. With time and patience, your investments will not only make you richer, but also give you the financial freedom and peace of mind we all want. Remember, investing isn't just about money. It's about building a life you can enjoy, and that gives you safety and happiness. No matter where you are in life, there are always chances to invest wisely and build a good future. So, take charge of your money and start your journey to smart investing today.